Alright, Pati brought me to Parksville Market. I've never been here before. She has. We're here for food. Alright, good morning. Today we are in Montpelier, Vermont. We're staying in Vermont for the week. Today's Tuesday. We're doing a hike at Hubbard Park, and then we're going to go do another hike in Bear, Vermont, or Bar. I don't actually know how you say it. After this hike, called Vast and Grand Lookout. But that's later on. Right now, we're just doing a quick little 18-minute up to Hubbard Tower. It's about 8 degrees out, 10 degrees now. It was 8 degrees this morning. Cold, layered up, and excited. I love Vermont, so I can't wait to see this part. We've always driven through here every time we come to Vermont, but we've never actually stayed here, so this is really exciting. So we're gonna get going now. So what makes this so cool is down there looks like flat land. It's all ice under snow. This whole quarry is normally filled with water. So I can only imagine how beautiful this looks in the summertime, but I wanted to come here for the winter just because I love how these types of places look in winter conditions. So I think this is really cool. So a very common misconception, especially with people whose views on people from the East Coast, is that everyone loves winter time and we just all love the cold. Believe it or not, a lot of people actually hate this. Like, not everyone who lives on the East Coast and in the Northeast loves winter. Some people actually hate it. Some people don't fuck with it. Me though, I absolutely love the winter. I've always told people fall and winter. Well, fall and spring are my two favorite seasons. Winter though is my favorite. Summer, not the biggest fan of, believe it or not. The reason I love the winter so much is because I love the outdoors, as you guys can tell. So much of my content revolves around hiking and just being out in nature. This time of year, not many people are out. So I feel like it's the best time to just be out in nature because It's so much more peaceful. It's so much more quiet. You just get to really be present in the moment. And that's why I just love coming out to these types of places during the winter. It's something different. It's special. It's stuff that you don't really get to experience during the summer when a lot of these places have more foot traffic and more people. It also just comes down to, since I'm a photographer, I feel a lot of these places look so much more different and beautiful in these conditions. So you see so many photos, so many people come to the East Coast and the Northeast during summertime and springtime, and they take all the pretty photos and the greenery, but no one really travels to this part of the country in the winter, which gives people like me a chance to explore and capture these beautiful places in ways that people don't normally get to see. So I love it. I love that I get to do this. I love that this is my life. We've made it to the lake in Burlington. Boog here has slipped
like 20 times.
a numerous amount of times.
Have not touched the ground though.
Yeah, she has yet to fall, but the wind here is crazy. The snow is crazy. I'm gonna walk down there. She's gonna hang out here.
In the shelter.
Yeah, in the shelter. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. This week I'm in Providence, Rhode Island. I just got here. Poppy is currently in the car still getting set up. We're not going to be in Providence the whole week, but we are in Rhode Island for the whole week. Today is Monday. We are checking out downtown Providence. We're going to go window shopping at the mall they have here, and then just walk around the downtown, see what they have. I've only been here one other time, like maybe 5-6 years ago now. It's been a while, but I'm excited. I know a couple photographers that are located here, and I've seen some of the work they've been able to do. So I'm excited to see what I'm able to capture while we're here. So I'm cold and hungry, so let's get going.